Make sure that the Wi-Fi driver has already been inserted into the USB port on the back of the machine. Tap More. Tap Network. Find the Wi-Fi which belongs to you in the Wi-Fi list. Enter the password of your Wi-Fi. Tap Save. Close the window after it's connected. We can see that it shows connected now. Back to the front page. We need to restart the printer now. Tap More. Tap System. Tap Restart. Tap Printer. Be patient to wait for the restart. Tap More again. Tap Network again. We can see the IP address here. It means that the Wi-Fi connection is successful now. Double-click the browser. Enter the IP address, which we got from the printer. Now we can see the control interface for the printer. Click the gear icon and click the language options. There are many language options here, and we can select a language according to our requirement. Let's select English, for example. Click Jobs. There might be a few G-code files here already. Just delete them if we don't need them. Click Add. Click Upload Files. We can upload a G-code file from our computer. Right-click and we can see some options, including the print option. We can print this G-code file when we need. Thanks for watching.